Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are officially back for another pack attack. What we learn. But yeah, it's another session. Right now, we are rallying to the upside. Let me just turn on this group. Move all these suckers. Save. The ones I want to trade are going to be 68 and 69. Hit the daily loss limit on that. Let's make sure we got this correctly. One each. I'm not going to be able to trade with brackets, unfortunately. TradeAway doesn't allow bracket trading when you trade multiple accounts, which is a little bit unfortunate, but I just had to put everything manually, which kind of sucks, to be honest. I don't like that. If I'm going to be entering into a trade, I want to automatically have my brackets there. But, it does make a difference. I take it back, it does. We've just been rallying up, though. So, we opened up here. My camera's in the way, so I can't freaking see. Let's see here. Opened up. Yeah, we've just been going up. This is where we're at now. I think we're not at all-time highs, but jeez, it's nasty. Gonna be trading these two funded accounts. I hit the daily loss limit on them, so just gonna try to be scalping my way back. What's above 2? Oh, let's go 4. So it's gonna be trading 2 accounts. Copy trading 2 accounts here. So the P&L is gonna show a little bit higher than what it actually is, which is fine. Looking to see if we can just scalp off the top of this here very quick. Oh, come on, you gotta be playing with me. Ain't no way. 5 minutes though has just been green. Absolute bonker of a day. I'm not gonna get filled there, huh? Oh boy. 2 ticks away. Hey, that's fine, that's fine. Hey, no worries. We are not worried at all. I'm stress-free, man. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a quick scalp. Got about a 6-point stop loss. Looking for this just to flip down to this area down here very quick for a little TP. Whoop. Looks like the bulls are not done yet. But these will be the only 2 accounts. There's not much drawdown left in them, so we'll see what we can do to bring these back to life. Also, the evaluation that I traded yesterday, I blew it in the morning, so there's that update. I did pass 3 more accounts though, so I'll reactivate those maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning. Don't know yet, so yeah. That's where I'm currently at. Good. Can we get this to flip back down to... Would be lovely if we can come back down to 225 or something. Looking to just take a quick scalp off the top, play back into the range here. This does pretty nasty. Look at that. It's just, what was that, 45 to, so about like what, 70 points? No, not even 70, 660 or something. I can't do math right now. But yeah, I'm in trade. I don't know what to say. Actually, let's check the news. I would say though, with this whole freaking Strait of Hormuz, whatever going on, all that crap, we today we had some pretty serious spikes. It was pretty nasty, to be honest. Talk about I was in a trade actually, and it came about. I was one tick away from getting filled, and then all of a sudden it just spiked. It went down, and luckily I had my trailing stop loss, so I was able to manage. I was able to take some profits, but man, talk about ugly move today. It was not pretty. So let's check the news tomorrow. We had I think quarter price today or something. Can't remember, but that didn't move the market at all. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so we have crude oil inventories. That's not gonna move the market, at least for NASDAQ and ESYs. Now crude oil, I think it might move. I don't trade crude oil though, so I couldn't tell you because I've never traded that. Yeah, I mean, really no news tomorrow. It's gonna be either a trendy Wednesday or not gonna get much movement. So this is the true balance. I'll show you right now. This is it. I'm copy trading, so the P&L you see is gonna be a combination of both right now. At least the position sizing. See if we can break this down below 5. Want to see a cave right here. Continue falling down. Break down to 5. Let's come to 2. Get to the bottom of this range down here. Might struggle a bit with it, but just need is to pop down. Should take NASDAQ with it. My hair is like super floppy. Is holding us, 7 is holding us up. This little level, we should try and play that. New 3-minute. They're probably going to try to push that level again. Want to see the bears come through here, break below this wick, 6, cave down to 225. There we go. We're looking at the bid here. We got 6 showing up. That's looking good for the bears. Can we get 5 on the bid? Would be a little bit more hopeful for the bears if I can see 5 on the bid. Just keep driving that bid down. Pop below 6 for a quick second. There we go. 575, 550. They're trying to keep it up. Let's get 4. There we go. Nice low 428. We're gonna try to save these accounts. I don't want to blow it. It's like a freaking piece of hair in my nose. It's not nose hair, it's like hair falling from my head. It's not good, boys, when you're already balding. But bueno. So nice little 423 win. That was a, like I said, I wanted to just see it pull back. Let me go to the 5-minute. Kind of show you why I took it too. Starting to see, we just had green, 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 green. So this, I think some people were shorting here, but didn't see any red candles. So the chances of this happening again up here, I mean, it's a 50-50, but in my eyes, I think it's a, unlikely. That's why I wanted to take short. Managed to scalp that little 10 points. It's a little bit like, it was like 10 and a couple ticks, but there you go. We'll go to 69 as well. Show you. There we go. So we got, folks. How many counts do I have? I'll have 11. If I can save these two, then I'll be good at 11.8 counts. Which I probably should activate them now. I can have them for tomorrow, but there's no rush. I mean, only thing right now is, since I'm trading on my phone, it's kind of hard to trade unless I go to the desktop version on my phone, because I have 3 accounts that I want to copy trade tomorrow, so I'll probably try to do that. I don't want to talk too much into it because I don't want to count my eggs, you know, like they say, don't count your eggs before they hatch. Just a superstition, but want to be smart. Kind of crazy though, tomorrow we won't be having any news, so we're either gonna chop or get a trendy. But Wednesdays and Fridays typically tend to be trendy days. It's just with this whole news and everything we've been having, the war news and peace talks with Iran. It's interesting. Oh shoot, bulls are back in. I mean, this is just like 10 points, but it looks a lot bigger than it actually is. That's not bad, you know. What's crazy though, if you were trading this and you caught this move, man, good job. Yeah, it's like a 70 point actually. No, 45 to, it's like 60. Yeah, 60 or so points. Bulls are just going. Are they really going to come up here tonight all the way to 26,900? I mean, anything's possible at this point. They might want it. Unless Trump just wants to get on and kind of do his thing on Twitter. Tweet, get the market moving. Wouldn't that be a sight? New highs on the night. ES is lagging behind. Perfect trade though. I literally caught just perfectly, and then the market bounced right back up. One thing I will say about copy trading is that since I'm having to manually place my orders and whatnot, the only thing that sucks is that I have to make sure I cancel my trades after I hit take profit, or I get stopped out. Because if I don't, the orders will still rest there. So I don't want to be that guy that makes profit and then it comes back up and you know, fills me into a trade I don't want to be in. That would not be good. Come right back up. We're just gonna keep rallying. That is dirty. Should I be that guy in short again? Take another short at the same spot. Nah, man, I'm gonna be smart about it. Oh, let's let the bulls do their thing. I mean, it's a bullish close. We're about to have a new 5-minute count in about 45 seconds. But a good close for the bulls if they want to keep rallying up. Kind of bonkers if you're asking me. Are we just coming back down? Yeah, ES hasn't broken to new highs yet, so I think that's what's keeping NASDAQ down. The two really aren't moving in congruency, so. Oh shoot, probably should have just shorted 15, huh? Will the bulls have enough juice to keep pushing this? They break above 20. I mean, you kind of got this void up here, right? Because the next resistance level really would be at 26,880. I mean, if you want to look at this, I guess 50, and then you have 80, so it's like this whole 30-point zone up here, which would, you know, make sense if they keep rallying up, but good chance that the bears might want to try to hold it down here for a little bit more. How are the bulls going to react here? Looking at the ask, they're trying to push it back up. But expect this, man. With this market, it's just down, up, down. You think the market's changing direction? Nope. It'll just come back and recover it. It's just the market that we're in right now. He is trying to push up to the highs again of the night. What I'm wondering is, are we really just going to keep rallying? It's not impossible. But I mean, you look at this crap, you're like, man, what's going on? Whoop, whoop. Here we go, here we go. ES is pushing, they're trying. The bulls are rallying. They're going for it. They want that higher, you know, higher movement to the upside. ES is still lagging. $37. Looking to see if we have some weakness. I'll probably take another short back to the range down here. ES is lagging. We'll play this super tight. Very tight level here. ES is moving back down. Want to see if we can get tagged in. We'll ride the wave back down here. I'm keeping my eye on the ask as well, so it doesn't seem like I'm gonna get filled. Okay, 1425. 1325. I might not get filled in here. Playing a super cheap trade here. Looking to scalp again off the top. Back to the bottom of the range. But I might not be getting filled. So if I don't get filled, here within the next. Okay, here we go. If they break below 8s, I'm canceling this trade. I'm gonna kill it. Because what I don't want to see, if they break below 8s and they bring it back up, good chance the bulls are gonna try to push hard through it. New 5-minute and about 5 seconds. Go. No, hasn't spawned in. Okay, there we go. We're just getting tighter and tighter to the upside. I'm gonna kill that. Something's gonna happen. We're either gonna tank or we're gonna blast to the moon. Isn't that, you know, critical thinking? It could go up or down. Oh man. Talk about groundbreaking. He is falling back down. There we go, coming back down to earth. Also, if you are just tuning in now, I am trading funded accounts. This is not an eval this time. This is an actual live account. Sorry, no, let me take it back. This is not a live account. This is a funded account. Huge difference. Funded accounts are not live accounts. They are still simulated accounts, but you can get paid out as if they were live accounts with certain rules. I'm trading through prop firms. So just gotta make that. I gotta be very distinct about that. But if you are wondering, have you ever traded a live account before? Yes. When I first started out on futures, I actually traded with my own money. Put about 4 G's in there, 4 bands, and proceeded to lose that within a couple of days. Not even a couple weeks. It was a few days. Coming back down. 7 is holding us up. Just keeping an eye on the bid. If they get 6, a good chance they try to bring it back down to 800s. Man. Nothing. It's moving so slow at this point. Watching this is making me tired. My goodness. I don't know if anybody else feels like it, but sometimes, you know, you have the excitement of just watching candles move up and down. But when it's like this, I just get drowsy. I wonder if the market's just gonna keep rallying until this whole peace talks with Iran goes on, however long it goes. I feel like that's what's keeping the market going in a bull run. So obviously this is just me tucking out my rear end, right? This is just opinions, not facts, but I feel like the market probably could start tanking after this ordeal blows over. Whatever happens with the US and Iran. But until then, we might just continue getting a bull rally. It's only holding us down. I think they want the 800. 26,800. ES is breaking to the bottom of the range. I think NASDAQ is gonna follow as well. Sorry, folks. If you came here for entertainment, there's nothing. I'm not getting anything. There we go, 26,800. They want it. But with that being said, I mean, I don't think we're really getting anything else. Not much action. So I'm up for 23 on 2 accounts. I did hit the daily loss limit on these two for this New York session today. So this is the current balance. We're at 49, 88. So we're a little bit in the negative. So I'm gonna try to bring these accounts back. I really don't want to lose them, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, it's not smart to try to keep blowing accounts. No sir. But if you did tune in, appreciate you tuning in. As always, do not forget to subscribe, because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if it's gonna be cash giveaway or from account giveaways yet. We'll figure it out when the time comes. But if you tune in, appreciate you tuning in. And if you do subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell as well, because you don't want to miss out, not on just the entertainment, but